Welcome students in my new tutorial based upon MS Office. In my last tutorial I have taught you how to use shapes, and today I'll teach you how to make different kind of sceneries using shapes. So directly we'll start. I'll go to insert, and then from here I'll take shapes and I'll try to take the cloud. So here I can find the cloud. You can take it from basic shapes also, and then I'll just try to make like this kind of cloud here. Just it will fill the whole space. Okay, and then from format I'll try to fill it the color. Let it be like something like gray, and then I can change the shape of the cloud according to my need. If I want, I can make multiple clouds. Like this is big one, I can copy and then control V paste, make it little smaller somewhat here, just to give the realistic look. Control C, control V, like this. So what I'll do, I'll click on view, and one page I'll click so that I can have a proper view of the page. One thing more I want to do, layout. I'll go to layout. Actually my page is in portrait. I want to make it landscape. So I'll go to orientation and go to landscape. So now it's something like this. So now I can expand something in this way, and suppose this cloud is here, this cloud is here. Now further again I'll go to insert, shapes. I want to make a hut at the bottom, so I'll select a rectangle under rectangles, and then somewhere here I'll try to make the front part of the hut. Okay, I want to make it of yellow color, so from shape fill, this color I'll select. Okay, here it is in recent used shapes. You could see triangle is there, and now I'll try to take, yes, something like this. Then again I'll change the shape to yellow. Then with arrow keys also I can move the upper part of my hut right and left. Now I have to make the rest of the part, but this time I want to use some other shape. I'll go to insert, shapes. So I want to use this shape, free form. I'll tell you why. So just to give the realistic look, I'll click on free form, and then see, I'll make the border. I'll just start from here only. Like I'll make the border here because it should be enclosed from all the sides. Then I'll start making like this, like this, like this. See, to give this kind of realistic look, I have to use free form shape. Again, the coloring. So this time I'll take dark yellow, more colors, dark yellow somewhat. Okay. Now I'll take again the free form, and then I'll make rest of the hut. Again, firstly selecting the border. Now I have to cover the same way just to fill up all the areas. Okay. Again, now I'll fill it with light yellow. So my hut is also prepared. These are different shapes. Okay. I can use shift key to select all the shapes. Right click, there is one option group, you can group it. What's the advantage now? These will be merged as a one shape. You can move it very nicely. You can easily make it small or larger according to your need. And yes, of course, you can make a door also, and for door you can click on the shapes, again rectangle, and then this way you can make the window also. The color you can select according to your need. Then window you can make here. Some nice window you can just select according to your need, and then you can rotate it according to the orientation of the image. Okay, so you can give any color, you can set your own imaginations. Now I want to make one tree. So for making one tree, I have to again go to insert shapes. I'll take one rectangle. Although you have your own imagination, you can take anything, but I'm taking rectangle just as a tree trunk I am making here. And then after taking this, I want to select it with brown color. Uh, More fill colors I'll take, somewhat like brown. And then edit shape, I'll go from here, edit shape, edit points. So what I'll do, this you could see here in between this, when this selection comes, you can click in between just to select and give some shape. You could see here, from here also, I'm just trying to give it the shape of the tree trunk. Okay. Now I'll take the cloud, and then I'll cover something like this. Green color, I can take, or dark green according to my choice. So it's looking something like this. Now if I want to show that it's raining, so it's also very easy. Again you can click on insert shapes, and then simple lines you can take, and then simply you make one line like this. And then what you have to do, you have to make it little gray color, shape outline gray color, and then you have to go to shape effects, sorry, shape outline, dashes. I'll just try to take this one or this one. More lines are there. I can take from here also, but I think there only the lines were there what I was wanting. This one is okay. And then what I'll do, I'll press the control key, and this plus sign comes. I can just simply drag it. Just I'll make a duplicate of these lines, and then again pressing the control key. You can easily increase the size. Okay, as the rain is falling, I am speeding up, selecting the shift key, selecting the control key. I have selected all the lines. Now the control key should be pressed, and then I can simply drag. I'm making the duplicates. It's too easy. Like this, I can easily make the duplicates. So very easily, within no time, I am able to make the rain. Okay, so a simple scenery in which I am able to show hut, tree, clouds, even you can show sun, moon, all depends upon your imagination. So I hope now you know the way how to use the shapes to create your own sceneries. So with this, I am closing my tutorial. If you feel my explanation is good and you can easily understand, then please do like, share and comment, and do subscribe if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye, take care. Meet you soon with the new tutorial.